Welcome to TopDealWebsite.com's new product releases. A new mid-tower PC case Enclosure S6G from Abee has just entered the market, coming in shiny blue and shiny red color options. This aluminum PC case supports of both micro ATX and ATX motherboards, and features a front-placed I/O panel with 2x USB 3.0 and 2x audio ports, 25-inch external drive bays, 3.5-inch internal drive bays, removable, 5-inch internal drive bays, removable, 7 expansion slots and has 3 fans, 2x 120mm Nanotech fans, front, 1x 120mm Nanotech fan, rear. The Abee's Enclosure S6G is available now for $34,980 yen, about $357. Source: techfresh.net. For more information on this, visit us at topdealwebsite.com.